To me, the role of design is mostly to simplify and improve people's day-to-day living. I think we're starting to see more and more reflective, really thought-out design.
Design to us is creating a product with your own hands, custom-made to fit your needs.
I'm really interested in things that kind of disrupt some of the established systems that we have in the world. You know, there's huge amounts of waste, and so I'm interested in using this waste.
I've always liked building things with assembly kits.
I find the Vibram component concept really interesting because traditionally shoes have been bonded together, they're impossible to recycle.
This new sole gives the opportunity to anyone to create his own shoes.
I see the sole, I think, what can I do with that? Look down at your feet and say, you did that.